Welcome guys to another video. We are working today on a Kenmore Elite refrigerator. This unit is a side by side and we're having the problem with the ice maker. So what we are going to do today is replace the ice maker, and also we're going to replace the control boards just for we can have no problems. But the reason why I'm making this video, guys, is because we're using the universal ice maker from Whirlpool. So pretty much this ice maker, they didn't have the original one, but you can still use the most common ice maker. The only thing that we're gonna do here is that we're gonna be doing some changes. Like you can see, these two pieces are different. So the ice maker that we have, pretty much we can modify with the old ice maker by just replacing those two parts that is gonna make it to work differently. So what it does is just it requires for us to put this cover back into the new ice maker, and also we're gonna put the slider in. We're gonna remove the harness now, and what we're gonna do is just clean up this part because this ice maker is leaking water on the bottom. That's why we're replacing it. And the reason why we're replacing the control boards is because the ice maker just quit making ice completely. But even though if we replace the control board and we still leave the old ice maker, the unit is going to be leaking water. So that's why now we recommend to pretty much to replace both of the parts. And you guys can see right here the difference of the two plates. What this plate does is that because it goes on the side on the unit, it pretty much helped the ice cube to pretty much slide into the bucket that is on the door. And if you guys don't do this chain, the ice cube, they're not gonna make it into the bucket, and it's just gonna be falling inside the freezer. So that's why if you are replacing this ice maker, definitely you need to do these changes right now. These are the control boards that we're replacing. Like I said, guys, we're replacing this one because they're just not responding. And this is what's gonna make the ice maker to pretty much run back again. This control board, they have like a small laser that if the lasers, they're not communicating each other, it's gonna think pretty much that the ice bucket is full, and pretty much that's why it's not gonna make it to call for the ice maker to pretty much make more ice. To replace this is really easy. There's two control boards in each side. They only have two screws that we can attach. And once you put those screws, it should be ready to go. Now it's time to put everything back. We're connecting the control boards back again. Make sure that everything is coming on. And also we're gonna put the 3 screws that each side it has on. Very easy installation, guys. But like I said, I'm doing this video because just in case you ordered an ice maker and it looks a little bit different, what you can do is just pretty much remove the parts from the old ice maker. That way you can have exactly the same model that you need. So just like that, this repair is all done. So like this video and subscribe for more. That way I can be posting more videos for you guys. Thank you for watching.